Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add tags in Notion. So what I write down exactly right here. First make a new page, and then after this what we need to do is we need to create a database. So we do /database inline. Because this is the only way how to create tags. Right now we can create this name tags, and let's call this first tag. Something like this. Then we want to create tags, so what we need to do is click on add property and then search right here for multi-select. Click on that. Click then on multi-select and change this to tags. And then right now what we need to do is click here on this right here, and then we write down something like YouTube 2025, enter. Then we do something like Notion how to enter. And we do something like Notion to 2025. And this is exactly how you can create tags in your Notion. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.